Half of all adults past 60 experience a silent but relentless condition known as sarcopenia. It creeps in quietly. First, your legs feel weaker climbing stairs, then the jars on the kitchen shelf feel heavier, and soon everyday tasks take twice the effort they once did. But what if I told you that a single nutrient, when drawn from specific foods, has the power to reverse this process, restoring muscle fibers, balance, and vitality far faster than most supplements ever could? A leaked report from several university studies revealed 8 natural foods that target the one biological switch behind muscle decline. Doctors call it the mTOR pathway, the master signal for muscle repair. Activate it correctly, and your body restarts the machinery of strength, even in your 70s or 80s. Food number 1 in this list was shown to boost muscle protein synthesis by over 40% in controlled trials. So let's reveal them one by one, explaining not hype, but what science actually says. Before we start, remember this isn't about gym powders or expensive pills. It's about real foods, nutrient-dense sources that send the right molecular message to your muscles. Each food in this list holds a key compound linked to improved lean mass, faster recovery, and reduced fatigue. Keep listening, because by the end, you'll see how combining these foods can form a daily pattern strong enough to rebuild what age has taken away. The first nutrient we're chasing is leucine, the spark plug of muscle repair. Think of leucine as a tiny messenger that tells your muscle cells, "Wake up, it's time to grow." Older adults often eat enough protein but not enough leucine. Studies from the University of Arkansas for Medical Sciences show that meals with at least 2.5 grams of leucine trigger a full anabolic response, while lower amounts barely register. That's why our number 1 food is so important. Food number 1, eggs, nature's complete muscle code. One large egg contains about half a gram of leucine, but the secret lies in the yolk, not just the white. The yolk carries vitamin D, choline, and bioactive peptides that enhance leucine's absorption and improve insulin sensitivity, crucial for muscle repair. In a landmark study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, participants who ate whole eggs after resistance training gained 40% more muscle protein synthesis than those who ate only egg whites. The combination of amino acids and fat-soluble nutrients turns eggs into the perfect post-meal activator. For seniors, 2 eggs at breakfast, lightly cooked, deliver the leucine threshold without excess calories. It's not just protein, it's the ignition key for strength. Food number 2, wild salmon, omega-3 power for muscle signaling. When people think omega-3s, they think of heart health, but a revealing 2015 study from Washington University showed something extraordinary. Omega-3 fatty acids increase the sensitivity of muscle cells to amino acids. In older adults, this translates into a stronger anabolic response. The DHA and EPA in salmon literally enhance the way your muscles hear the growth signal. A 150-gram serving of wild salmon provides 2 grams of omega-3s, enough to amplify leucine's message and reduce inflammation that blocks recovery. It's not just anti-inflammatory, it's pro-anabolic. Cook it gently, avoid deep frying, and you've got a molecular amplifier for muscle growth. Food number 3, Greek yogurt, probiotic protein fusion. Greek yogurt does more than add calcium. Each cup delivers around 20 grams of slow-release casein protein, plus beneficial bacteria that help your gut absorb amino acids efficiently. In one Dutch study, older adults who consumed Greek yogurt before bedtime saw overnight muscle synthesis rise by 22% compared to a control group. The reason? Casein releases amino acids steadily through the night, preventing catabolic breakdown. Meanwhile, probiotics lower gut inflammation, ensuring nutrients actually reach the bloodstream. Mix it with berries or a spoon of honey, and you create a nighttime muscle shield. Simple, powerful, delicious. Food number 4, lentils, plant protein with iron intelligence. For vegetarians, lentils are a revelation. Each cup contains 18 grams of protein, abundant folate, magnesium, and a special kind of resistant starch that stabilizes blood sugar. But the hidden star is its iron content, which supports oxygen delivery to muscles. In a 2020 Canadian trial, older women who added lentils to 2 meals per day improved walking speed and leg power by 25% over 12 weeks. The explanation lies in lentils' arginine content, a precursor to nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels, delivering nutrients deeper into muscle fibers. When combined with a vitamin C source like tomatoes or lemon, the absorption multiplies. The result, better blood flow, stronger contractions, and endurance that feels almost youthful again. Food number 5, pumpkin seeds. Magnesium's forgotten role. Most seniors are deficient in magnesium, a mineral that governs over 300 reactions, including muscle relaxation and protein assembly. Pumpkin seeds provide a concentrated source, nearly 40% of your daily need in just a handful. A Japanese study following adults over 60 found that those with higher magnesium intake maintained greater grip strength and faster gait speed. But the magic extends beyond muscle. Magnesium helps convert vitamin D into its active form, which in turn triggers the genes that build muscle protein. Snack on roasted pumpkin seeds or sprinkle them over yogurt. You'll be feeding your cells the mineral cofactor they've been missing. Food number 6, chicken thighs, collagen-rich, leucine-dense fuel. Many seniors avoid dark meat, fearing fat, but new evidence flips that belief. Chicken thighs contain nearly the same leucine density as breast meat, plus connective tissue collagen peptides that rebuild muscle fascia, the supportive web holding fibers together. In a Korean clinical study on adults over 70, collagen supplementation improved muscle strength and mass when paired with light resistance training. The dark meat of chicken naturally contains these peptides, along with zinc and heme iron. When cooked slowly, stewed or baked rather than fried, it becomes a biologically balanced muscle meal. Add herbs like rosemary or turmeric to enhance anti-inflammatory effect. Food number 7, spinach, the nitrate boost that powers muscles. Spinach may look fragile, but it hides nitrate compounds that convert into nitric oxide, a gas that relaxes blood vessels and improves oxygen use. The University of Exeter proved that consuming spinach extract increased muscle power output by 5% within a week. For seniors, this means easier climbing, less fatigue, and faster recovery. Spinach also provides plant-based coenzyme Q10 and magnesium, factors that energize mitochondria inside muscle cells. When blended with citrus or avocado, absorption doubles. Think of spinach not as a salad filler, but as green rocket fuel for your muscles. Food number 8, cottage cheese, the overnight muscle builder. If Greek yogurt protects you overnight, cottage cheese perfects the process. Each serving carries slow-digesting casein plus a natural insulin-stimulating peptide that drives amino acids directly into muscle tissue. In a Penn State trial, adults who ate cottage cheese 30 minutes before sleep had higher morning muscle synthesis and lower hunger hormones. It's the most underrated muscle recovery food, particularly for those who can't handle large protein meals in the evening. Add cinnamon or a few nuts, and you get a snack that builds while you rest. Now that we've uncovered all 8 foods, let's decode the nutrient that links them. Protein quality fused with activating cofactors. Sarcopenia isn't caused only by lack of exercise, it's caused by poor signaling. Your muscles aren't getting the message to rebuild. Each of these foods corrects a piece of that puzzle. Eggs and chicken provide leucine and complete amino acids. Salmon adds omega-3s to amplify the signal. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese offer slow-release casein for continuous repair. Lentils add plant synergy and nitric oxide precursors. Pumpkin seeds replenish magnesium to keep the cycle running, and spinach fuels circulation. Together, they act as one nutrient system. The real one nutrient that reverses sarcopenia is synergy itself. Protein activation through leucine, omega-3, and magnesium working in harmony. To understand how quickly this works, let's look at studies. In a 2017 trial from McMaster University, older adults who consumed leucine-rich meals 3 times daily gained lean mass in just 12 weeks, even without lifting weights. Another, from the Journal of Gerontology, found that pairing omega-3s with resistance training doubled strength gains compared to training alone. The results show that diet can switch the muscle machinery back on. You are never too old to rebuild. Now imagine applying this knowledge daily. Breakfast, 2 whole eggs with sautéed spinach. Lunch, a bowl of lentil soup topped with a spoon of Greek yogurt. Dinner, baked salmon with a side of roasted pumpkin seeds. Before bed, half a cup of cottage cheese. Each meal acts as a pulse of repair, feeding your muscles not just calories but information, telling them to grow, adapt, and defend. Food number 8, cottage cheese, the overnight muscle builder. If Greek yogurt protects you overnight, cottage cheese perfects the process. Each serving carries slow-digesting casein plus a natural insulin-stimulating peptide that drives amino acids directly into muscle tissue. In a Penn State trial, adults who ate cottage cheese 30 minutes before sleep had higher morning muscle synthesis and lower hunger hormones. It's the most underrated muscle recovery food, particularly for those who can't handle large protein meals in the evening. Add cinnamon or a few nuts, and you get a snack that builds while you rest. Now that we've uncovered all 8 foods, let's decode the nutrient that links them. Protein quality fused with activating cofactors. Sarcopenia isn't caused only by lack of exercise, it's caused by poor signaling. Your muscles aren't getting the message to rebuild. Each of these foods corrects a piece of that puzzle. Eggs and chicken provide leucine and complete amino acids. Salmon adds omega-3s to amplify the signal. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese offer slow-release casein for continuous repair. Lentils add plant synergy and nitric oxide precursors. Pumpkin seeds replenish magnesium to keep the cycle running, and spinach fuels circulation. Together, they act as one nutrient system. The real one nutrient that reverses sarcopenia is synergy itself. Protein activation through leucine, omega-3, and magnesium working in harmony. To understand how quickly this works, let's look at studies. In a 2017 trial from McMaster University, older adults who consumed leucine-rich meals 3 times daily gained lean mass in just 12 weeks, even without lifting weights. Another, from the Journal of Gerontology, found that pairing omega-3s with resistance training doubled strength gains compared to training alone. The results show that diet can switch the muscle machinery back on. You are never too old to rebuild. Now imagine applying this knowledge daily. Breakfast: 2 whole eggs with sautéed spinach. Lunch: a bowl of lentil soup topped with a spoon of Greek yogurt. Dinner: baked salmon with a side of roasted pumpkin seeds. Before bed, half a cup of cottage cheese. Each meal acts as a pulse of repair, feeding your muscles not just calories but information, telling them to grow, adapt, and defend. But how does one nutrient trigger all this? The answer lies in muscle protein synthesis, or MPS. Think of it as the body's construction crew. Every time you eat protein, workers arrive with raw materials. Leucine is the foreman. It tells them when to start. Omega-3s are the communication radios that keep the crew synchronized. Magnesium supplies the tools. Without any one of them, construction slows or stops. That's why supplements alone rarely work. They send the raw material without the foreman or the tools. Another overlooked factor is insulin sensitivity. As we age, insulin becomes sluggish, making it harder for amino acids to enter cells. Foods like salmon and yogurt improve this sensitivity naturally, while sugars and refined grains do the opposite. Keeping blood sugar stable ensures your muscles receive nutrients efficiently. It's not about more food. It's about smarter food. Let's zoom in on the molecular level. Leucine activates the mTOR pathway, short for mechanistic target of rapamycin. This is the switch that tells cells to grow. Omega-3s reduce chronic inflammation, which otherwise blocks mTOR signaling. Magnesium helps enzymes function within that pathway. When all 3 align, muscle tissue begins to rebuild even in older adults who've been losing strength for years. It's not magic, it's biochemistry done right. In practice, aim for around 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein per meal with at least 2.5 grams of leucine. This is roughly 2 eggs plus a side of yogurt or a palm-sized portion of fish. Spread intake evenly across the day rather than loading it at night. Muscles respond better to consistent pulses than to one big dose. Hydration also matters. Muscles are 75% water, and dehydration blunts synthesis. Include mineral-rich fluids like water with a pinch of sea salt or magnesium powder. Even mild dehydration can reduce muscle performance by 10%, according to Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research. While we focus on food, don't ignore light movement. Muscles require mechanical stimulus to stay sensitive. A 20-minute walk or chair-based resistance routine helps the nutrients do their work. In one European study, seniors who combined daily protein meals with low-intensity resistance bands increased strength by over 30% in 8 weeks, proving that food and motion amplify each other. Let's recap the nutrient story through each food again briefly so it stays crystal clear in your mind. Eggs, leucine ignition. Salmon, omega-3 amplifier. Greek yogurt, steady casein flow. Lentils, plant protein with iron and arginine. Pumpkin seeds, magnesium cofactor. Chicken thighs, collagen rebuilders. Spinach, nitrate power. Cottage cheese, overnight repair. Each one alone helps, but together they create a symphony of repair that no supplement can match. When you apply this for just 3 weeks, subtle changes appear. Better posture, steadier balance, warmer hands and feet from improved circulation. After 8 weeks, studies show up to 10% gain in lean mass. After 12, strength tests improve dramatically. These are not athlete transformations, they're normal older adults who changed what was on their plate. Remember, sarcopenia begins with neglect, not destiny. It's the result of muscle cells waiting too long for the right signal. The one nutrient that ends sarcopenia isn't a vitamin or pill, it's the active protein signal rebuilt through food synergy. Once you give your body that, everything changes. Strength returns not as a miracle, but as the natural state your body remembers. So here's your mission. Rebuild through food. Start tomorrow morning. Scramble 2 eggs, add a handful of spinach, and drink a glass of water. For lunch, lentil soup or grilled chicken with greens. For dinner, salmon and yogurt or cottage cheese. It's affordable, it's practical, and it's proven. You don't need powders. You need real nutrients working together. And when someone asks you how you regained your strength after 70, you can smile and say, it wasn't supplements. It was just food science finally done right. That's the secret one nutrient that rebuilds aging muscle, the nutrient called activation. Eat it daily. Live it fully and let your strength return.